In this video, I'll walk you through how to invite employees to QuickBooks Workforce so they can easily access their payroll information online. To begin, you need to log into your QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop account using Admin or Payroll Access. From the main dashboard, head to the Payroll section and open the Employees tab, where you'll see a list of everyone added to your account. Select the employee you want to invite and double-check that their email address is correct, since this is where the Workforce invitation will be sent. Once confirmed, choose the option to invite them to Workforce and send the invite. If the employee hasn't been added yet, you can create a new profile by entering their basic details and then sending the invitation during setup. After the invite is sent, the employee receives an email with a secure link to create or sign in to their Intuit account. Once accepted, they can view pay stubs, W-2s, and other payroll documents digitally, reducing paperwork and manual requests. You'll also see their status update in QuickBooks once they've joined. Subscribe for more simple QuickBooks and business software guides made easy.